know what I do. Say, can you be bucket, just pass on. First one I see, he get packed on. Becky B catching alleys on backboards. I do.
What the hell happened here?
It looks like he modified the robot's friend or foe identification. They just shot at anything that moved.
Reckless. Look at this place. Civilians could have been hurt.
Yeah. The sooner we find this guy, the better.
I'll hack into their BIOS, dig through their data, and see if we can't find where they dumped their camera logs.
Copy that.
Here we go.
Failure to comply will result in forceful intervention.
All right, looks like I beat the rubber. What the hell happened here?
It looks like he modified the robot's friend or foe identification. They just shot at anything that moved.
Reckless. Look at this place. Civilians could have been hurt.
Yeah. The sooner we find this guy, the better.
I'll hack into their BIOS, dig through their data, and see if we can't find where they dump their camera logs.
Copy that.
Surrender now!
Forceful intervention.
Investigating. Taking point. Last known position is there. Check it out. I'm approaching. I saw something here.
Nothing on this one.
I'm moving in. That was their last known position. Oh shit! Oh fucking hell! I'm taking. Ah!
Time to power down. All right, let's go.
Checking the video. Nada.
Found it. Marking the camera logs server. Let's have a look in there and see if any of these little guys caught a glimpse of the wrench.
Right, hack in there. Let's see what we can find.
Shit. Looks like he wiped their cameras.
Gets worse. You just tripped a script payload that locked you in there.
What the hell?
Hello, Thomas. Looking for this? Oh, is he gonna do it? Is he gonna do it? Sucks, right? Look, man, I know all about your little scam involving the Mark IIs. All I gotta do is smash this thing, and you lose your company, and go to jail. Would you, though? I mean, sure, you'd probably get arrested, maybe even convicted. You lose some money, but you'd still be rich. So you do it. 4 months? No. No. I didn't go through all this just to set you back. I want to fuck you the way you fucked me, with a sandpaper condom on my fist. So that's why I'm going to crush your whole business model instead. I'm going to reverse engineer this thing. Then, I'm going to put your thought-controlled killbot design on the internet for free. That way, anyone who wants one can steal it. Happy day. Yatta!
Looks like Wrench left this as a trap for Rempart, and I stumbled into it.
I can't do anything from here. Give me a minute. I'll come help.
No, don't. I can handle it. Just give me a minute. Let's get to work.
Target identified. Initiating search protocol. Function is now ready.
I'm out.
That guy in the video was like an internet troll crawled out of the internet. That's who we're chasing?
He's a bit more dangerous than that. Do you see any clues to his location on that video?
I'm scrubbing it now. No windows, no take-out containers. Hang on. Yes! Is that? Yes! I got him!
Really? How?
You can start heading to Brixton if you want to get moving. I'll explain on the way.
Keep all documentation and identification up to date. ID check searches.
cut my hair.
All right. Tell me what I'm doing in Brixton.
Go back and watch the video. Right in the corner of his workbench, you can see an Arduino board connected to one of his gadgets.
Arduino? So he's controlling his gadgets with radio waves. Probably through an optic. How does that help?
It doesn't, unless you can get into high-frequency radio range. Then all you have to do is ping every nearby object. Whenever you have a high concentration of objects with a low latency pingback, you've got a big collection of Arduino boards.
And a whole arsenal of gadgets. And since we already know he's in Brixton...
All you have to do is go there, and I can use the Arduino pingback to find his hideout.
Great work, Jackson.
So I've been thinking, when this is done, you and me should probably sit down and really talk about things.
Sure. I'd like that.
But I do have a question now. If that's all right.
About Lena?
No, it's that... Well, you don't look good, Aiden. I'm worried about you. When are you going to stop all this?
Thanks. I keep trying to retire. Never takes.
There's a lot of ways to help people. I've helped a lot of people, and I've never shot anyone.
Can we talk about this later?
Yeah. Just think a little bit about an exit strategy, okay? Because right now, every end of this thing I can see looks pretty bleak.
I'm warning you. I think I'm playing with you. Open up.
Too much. So far. Wait.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, whatever. Me as well, mate, yeah. I know. Why? Yeah. Mhm. Yeah. Hey, you're you, right? Big fan. Yeah. No, I entirely understand.
Sorry, good to see you. Cockmonger.
What kind of life are you living? Sorry. Yeah, of course.
All right, you're real close now. All those gadgets are routed through the local CTOS hub. Find the hub, and I can pinpoint the exact location.
You got it. This whole area is wide open. That'll be a problem if he gets on that drone of his.
Already on that. All the drones in London are on a CTOS air traffic control system. I just need to hack a local relay and reboot it. Should ground everything for a few minutes.
It's not worth exposing yourself for. Rempart's still looking for you. Keep your head down.
I'll be fine. Also, I left 20 minutes ago. So it's a moot point.
Jackson, how's that drone controller coming? Jackson, come back. Where are you? That's it. I'm aborting. Coming to you.
No. Bad idea, bud.
What the hell are you doing on this channel?
I told you. When I found Jackson, I wanted you to see it, so you would believe me. Say hello to Uncle Aiden.
I'm sorry, Aiden. I fucked up.
Oh, poor little cabbage. He'll be staying with me until you bring me the broker bridge. This makes your bargaining position clear, right?
I've already found Wrench. I'll have it in 30 minutes.
Good. Kill him, and I'll pay you $1 million on top of giving Jackson back. I'm serious.
stupid.
Spread out! Find them!
Hey, Aiden. In the spirit of, friendly whatever we are, just thought I'd let you know that that's not my real safe house you're outside of right now. It's, nope, it's decoy. It's, it's decoy.
It's over, Wrench. Tell me where you are.
No can do. Oh, and if any security drones show up, just know they'll leave you alone as soon as you go away. So, please go away.
Not going to happen.
Shit, I gotta move! Reloading! What's my back?
You got me. But of course, I had an emergency exit. I mean, could you imagine if I didn't have another way out of here? How dumb would I have to be? I mean, pretty dumb.
Checking it out. I need some cover. Someone take a look. Sure. Let's see what we got. Where are you?
Spread out! Find them!
Can't see anything. I'll look anyway. Clear. I'll keep looking.
Don't look at me! Go!
Stop! No point anymore!
I hear something.
Really?
Asshole. Okay, hang on. Hang on! Just... No mask. No wrench. Just Reggie. Look, you can't give that thing to Rampart. Whatever deal you have with him, he's gonna try to fuck you over. Believe me, I would know.
He's not stupid. He knows who I am.
He knew who I was too. That's why he was interested in my company. He said he read about my rumored DedSec connections in a Wired article.
You designed the robots.
Yeah. I know robots, but he knew business. He had this whole speech about space flight and human evolution and I completely fucking fell for it.
Yeah, I heard part of the story. So what? Now you want revenge?
No. Well, yes. But mostly I'm just tired of fucking criminals, con men running the world. I don't know what I want, exactly. I just know he can't win.
Sorry, Reggie, I have no choice. For what it's worth, I spent my life fighting people like Rampart. Doesn't work.
So what? We're all supposed to just give up?
No, you shouldn't. Some fights are worth losing.
They gon' act, but they know what I do. Say, can you be bucket, just pass on. First one I see, he get packed on. Becky B catching alleys or backboards. I do 10, they get let off the line.